equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the screen on your Surface Laptop 1868. This task requires some technical skills, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Torx T5 screwdriver. 2. Plastic spudger. 3. Suction cup tool. 4. Tweezers. 5. Replacement screen for Surface Laptop 1868. 6. Isopropyl alcohol and lint-free cloth for cleaning. *** Step 1. Prepare your workspace ***. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Lay down a soft cloth to protect your laptop from scratches. Gather all your tools and the replacement screen. *** Step 2. Power off and disconnect ***. Before starting, power off your Surface Laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. *** Step 3. Remove the back cover ***. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any internal components. *** Step 4. Disconnect the battery ***. Locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it. This step is important to ensure that no power is running through the device while you work on it. *** Step 5. Remove the old screen ***. Now, you will need to detach the old screen. Use the suction cup tool to lift the screen slightly, then use the spudger to carefully disconnect the screen's cables from the motherboard. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any connectors. *** Step 6. Clean the internal components ***. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. This will help ensure that your new screen adheres properly and functions well. Step 7. Install the new screen ***. Take your replacement screen and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that all connectors are securely attached. Once connected, gently press the screen into place. Step 8. Reconnect the battery ***. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it is firmly in place. This will power your device once you reassemble it. Step 9. Reattach the back cover ***. Align the back cover with the laptop and press it down gently. Replace all screws using the Torx T5 screwdriver to secure the cover. Step 10. Power on your device ***. Finally, power on your Surface Laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully replaced the screen. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair, making it hassle-free for you. Congratulations on completing this repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.